Are you tired of that annoying dripping sound from your faucet? You're not alone in this struggle. The first step to fixing your faucet is shutting off the water supply. It's critical for a hassle-free repair. Twist the valve under your sink to stop the water flow. If you don't find it, turn off the main supply. Opening the faucet allows remaining water to drain swiftly, making your task easier and neater. To prevent tools from falling into the sink, use a sink stopper or simply cover the drain with a towel. Next, how you remove the handle depends on your faucet type. Let's dive into the right methods. If there's a set screw, a hex key can swiftly remove the handle with minimal effort. Get ready to unscrew. For a shower faucet, you'll need to remove any caps, unscrew the handle, and then take off the faceplate with care. Once the handle is off, ensure the faucet cartridge or stem is carefully extracted for replacement. Finally, with the new cartridge in place, reattach everything, turn on the water and watch for leaks.